happening again. Hey guys, it's me, Cake Popster Pust. Sorry, my microphone is being a little bit glitchy, more glitchy than it normally is. Anyways, you guys, it's time for the long-awaited day. Don't press the button. Don't press the button. 3! Yeah, I turned the echo on for that. Wait, we can buy a kid or a parent? I want to be a kid. Oh god, I'm super tiny. So, I think I like the don't press the button to the most I can legit already. Oh god. Was that a tsunami? I guess a parent. Oh no, I'm big. Tacos. From ooh, it's the house. It's gonna blow up. Yeah, that was from the original, if you didn't know. Oh, Doge. Wait, this is a lot like the things from the original. This is a mix between Doge Adventure and It's Raining Tacos. Oh god. Uh-oh. Oh god. Why does that keep on happening? I don't know, kid. I don't like this game as much as I like the other ones. Ooh, it's a bus. So, as you already know, like, I don't fully like this one. More Doge. Doge. I really like this new microphone because it reflects my voice a lot better than the old one. Oh god, this is fast. It's hard to do this and the microphone at the same time. Oh. No! Ah, great. This microphone, like, it hasn't gotten, like, the best stand as the old one. So, yeah, that's why it might be hard. Alright. The police is coming. Police! Police! Why are they killing us? That's not what police's job. Oh god, no, police! I didn't do anything wrong. Oh, there we go. Doge. How many times is it gonna do the Doge thing? I like it though. Oh my god, like, people are scam clicking those coins. Oh, it's gone. Ooh, what's this? It's a kitchen. If you press the button, bruh, if you press the button, kill all, then everybody will die. I don't know. What is that? Oh, more Doges. They're gonna kill it. Are they gonna? Why is there so much blood? These Doges are cute though. But like, why is there so much blood everywhere? Is it a trail? I think it's a trail. thunderstorm. Wait, this is sound effects from natural disaster survival. Sorry, I had to wipe my nose with a tissue. Oh my god, people are like spam clicking those coins. Really? How many times is it gonna do that? Doge, 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 doge. Doge, 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 doge. Doge, 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 doge. Doge, doge, doge. This is actually made for karaoke, but I thought it would be nice. Again? Ooh, coin, coin, coin. Like, these coins are like... I like this music, though. Do, 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 do. Oh god, I hate this. I think it happens when you die. I don't know. Guess I'll just be okay. Why are there... Aw, I wanted that. Coin. Uh-oh. More thunder. Take cover. Why am I so fat? Why am I thick? Why do I look so thick? I don't know. Ooh, coin, 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 coin! It's a thunderstorm of coins! Yeah, they're totally spam clicking coins right now. Uh-oh. Damage. What was that? Ooh. I want to go in. Oh my god, that person was just like, E. Oh my god, somebody just yeeted them. Bombs. Oh my god, it's a bomb. Doge, doge, doge. How many times is this going to happen? Let me change my camera. Doge, 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 doge. The next time it does doge, I'm going to say bye. And then the video will end the next time a doge comes. Like, seriously, why is the coin noise? Why does it keep on spam clicking? Sorry, I scream sometimes. Oh my god, somebody just yeet. Police? No, the police. The police is coming. What do we do? Are we criminals? Well, I can see if they got mad at me because I don't have 20 subs yet. He's coming. Please don't kill me. I just oofed myself. Oh, phew. I literally just oofed myself. Again? Well, I guess one round wasn't enough. What did we do? Why does he hate us? I'm gonna hide here. Oh God. Why is he killing us? Are we criminals? Oh, I want these idiots to get away from me. They're gonna give him away. Wait, where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, no, don't.